Welcome back guys, myself Piyush Goyal, Company Secretary from Jaipur, Delhi, Ahmedabad. In this video, we will discuss if you want to incorporate a company in the Singapore, right? So, what are the conditions which is required to be complied before the incorporation of the company? What are the checklists which you have prepared before the incorporation of the company? Right? The company registration process in the Singapore is completely digital, and it must be filed through the central portal of the Singapore government, right? So first of all, before the registration of the private limited company, you have to decide the name of the company, and for the incorporation of the company, you have to file the application for the reservation of the name with the government portal. Thereafter, at least one director or must be ordinarily resident in the Singapore, and or holder of employment pass or entry pass with local residential area. वन मिनिमम वन और मैक्सिमम 50 जो है इसके अंदर मेंबर्स हो सकते हैं प्राइवेट लिमिटेड कंपनी में। और इसके बाद जो है वहाँ पर कंपनी बनाने के विद 6 मंथ द company is required to appoint the one person who is called the company secretary. The paid up capital of a company minimum will be the $1, and it can be increased anytime after the incorporation. The registered office of the company is required, right? Or a physical Singapore address is required, right? Open to public at least 3 hours each business day. Company constitution. The company will prepare the MOA and AOA as per the model constitution, right? Thereafter, we will discuss step-by-step process for registration of the company. First of all, file the name reservation application with the central website. Is called the bitch file. The name reservation government fee will be $15, and thereafter the government will check the name uniqueness of the name for which you have applied application, right? If the government find that the names is a unique name, the government will approve the name for the incorporation of the company, right? Approval is usually near instant to straightforward names. It will take around 14 to 60 days. Once approved, it will be reserved for the 120 days, right from the approval date. Thereafter, approval of the name, the company will prepare the required information and documentation and file the application with the approved company name and name reservation reference. Thereafter, company will apply for the incorporation of the name. The company will provide the registered office address, company financial year ending date, right? And company email address, full details of the each position holder like company secretary, directors, and CEO if applicable, nominee director details, shareholder details, or declaration of the exemption from the register of nominee directors. Thereafter, the promoter will file the incorporation application on the portal, and in which the promoter is required to mention the company details like retrieve name reservation data and financial year, office address, add position holders and shareholders, add nominator information, add controller details, add shared capital details, right? Allotment details, submit the constitution, final review and endorsement and payment. So this is the complete process. Thereafter, company will make a payment and endorsement. The incorporation fees for the incorporation of company in Singapore is $300, and paid through the credit card or debit card or internet banking, right? Thereafter, receive outcome. After the filing of the application on with the Singapore government, the straightforward application approved within a minute to few hours after the payment, right? And complex cases will take around the 15 working days. Once the approval, the जो सिंगापुर गवर्नमेंट है, the notice of successful incorporation will be sent on the email which is displayed on the application. Thereafter, we will discuss what are the forms which is required to be filed. First you have to file the application for name reservation. Thereafter, the company will register a new business. Thereafter, endorsement e-service, right, and RORC declaration. So, right, thereafter, we will discuss what are the government fees involved in the incorporation of the company in the Singapore. First is the name application or reservation fee is $15. Second is the company incorporation. Government fees is $300, and name reservation validity. If you want name reservation validity will be 120 days. Thereafter, post registration compliance checklist. Thereafter, incorporation of the company will open a corporate bank account, right? Thereafter, company appoint a qualified company secretary within a period of 6 months from the date of incorporation. Thereafter, company will appoint an auditor within 3 months from the date of incorporation. Register or corporate income tax with the IRES, and register for the GST with the IRES if annual taxable turnover exceed the 1 million US dollar. Thereafter, apply for business or industry specific license, right? Apply for employment or pass entry fees, dependent fees, right? Register for the CPF contribution. Thereafter, the company will set up a statutory register, display the company name and UN on the business correspondence invoices at the registered office. Thereafter, company will file a annual return with the ACRE with the prescribed time period. So first of all, before planning for the incorporation in the Singapore, what are the factors? What are the checklist which you have prepared? Right. First, you have to decide the business structure. Thereafter, choose the company reservation name. Confirm at least Singapore resident director is available. Identify company secretary who can be appointed. Right. Decide directors or shareholders, and secure a company registered office in Singapore. Decide financial year. Right. So this is the complete incorporation process for the incorporation company in the Singapore. I hope this video is very helpful regarding the incorporation of the company in Singapore. Thank you guys for watching this video.